Hello, my name is Rod Bates and I'm the owner of Koinonia Guide Service. On behalf of our staff and our sponsors, we'd like to thank you for fishing with us. It is our mission at Koinonia Guide Service to provide you a safe, educational, productive, and memorable experience while exposing you to God's wonderful creation. We see God's great power in the fact that He's created the Susquehanna River, and we see His goodness to us in the fact that He gives us the time, the ability, and the opportunity to enjoy this wonderful creation. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. And thank you for choosing Koinonia Guide Service. Hi guys.
Hi.
Welcome. So we got Jim on the left and Colin on the right, right?
Yep.
Okay, great. Where are you guys from?
Reading, Pennsylvania.
Okay, great. And so we're out here to get some channel cats today. It's a little muddy.
Yeah, muddy.
But we caught them this morning. We should be able to get them again.
Oh, you were out this morning?
Yeah.
Oh,
yep.
cool.
Bunch out of here. So
Gotta get the monsters.
our river monsters are what you call flathead catfish, not channel cats, but channel cats are good eating. So how did you find Koinonia?
Online.
Online. Okay, great.
Some guides on the Susquehanna. I think I typed in as Catfish.
Okay, cool.
Like that.
And Colin, you're in from where?
Germany.
Oh yeah.
In from Germany. So, all right. So looking forward to Lord bless us with some more fish in the boat, and we'll see what we can do. All right, I got the 2 rods out. And before I got the 3rd one out, Jim's hooked up.
Damn.
Thank you, Lord. That's a good start.
He's a fighter.
God, color.
Yeah, exactly. We watch.
Put a couple more cranks on him.
Okay.
Yep. And that one you should be able to swing him right to me. That's enough. Yep. Bring him right in the boat. In the boat.
Whoa.
Okay. That's a good start.
Hey, catty man.
Picture of a double.
Okay.
Yeah, there's one. Got the other one coming in. You can swing him right in too, Colin. He's small. Crank it up further. Keep cranking, keep cranking. That should be enough.
Yeah, lift it up now.
Lift him right in. All right, way to go. Nice double. Jim was getting bit and Colin hooked up. Keep him coming while you got him on top. He'll be easier. What happens is a lot of times they'll wrap in the line.
Yeah, that's what it looks like.
That's why we fish fluorocarbon line. It's more abrasion resistant. You do have an anchor on your side you got to watch out for, Colin, so they don't get you in the anchor. If he stopped biting, Jim, you can put it back in the holder. Keep him coming.
It's all right.
Keep cranking. A little more. Okay, swing him to me.
All right.
I'm ready. Okay. All right, we got him.
Yeah.
Just hold that high and let him come underneath it.
Yeah.
And you can put it right back in the rod holder.
Hold.
Okay. Couple more cranks on him. Couple more cranks. All right, now swing him to me.
All right.
Keep him coming right up.
All right.
All right, way to go, bud. That's a better one.
Yeah. Yeah.
Not bad. If you're keeping them to eat, that'd be a good one. Okay, a couple more cranks and you should be able to swing them in.
What?
There's one. We got another double going. That's all right. Did you get him? Nope. Okay, that's a nice one. Started on the outside right and came all the way over. So did you say, well, he's bigger than I thought he was. Okay, you can swing him right in. Nice. Thank you, Lord. That's
What
another
pound
good one.
test line is? Nice, Colin. Oh yeah, he's a big one.
I might want to throw the net on him. Oh, you can swing him in here, I think.
Really?
I think.
Crank it a couple more.
Okay, bring him to me and keep him coming. That one's snagged.
Oh, this one is?
Yep, inside right. Okay. Way to go.
Yeah.
That's what they do with the
Oh, I thought you meant he was wrapped up in it.
Bluetooth, right?
Yeah.
When they get a tail wrap.
Yeah. Yeah, you should be able to swing him right in.
How is he hooked? In his eye or something?
No, it's probably wrapped around his
Oh,
fin.
there's another line or something.
Oh, yeah, you got any.
I won't.
All right, you got him.
I'll try to slide your right hand up on that reel, see if that feels any better for you.
Like that?
Yeah. Once you get used to it, I think you'll have better control.
This monster. There he is.
Another good fish.
Nice.
Getting bit over there?
Yep. Shit, it's taking the line.
Colin, hold it like he was saying. The hand. When you cup it like that.
That's a bend in that rod. You must have a nice one.
That's a baggin'.
Oh, he's under the boat.
Yeah, get him out from back.
Put your rod tip in the water. You can't, he'll cut the line on the bottom of this boat. Nice job. There you go. Once you get him out, okay, don't reel anymore. Just raise him up. Wow. He's a strong one, huh?
Yeah. He's huge.
Look at him go. Nice fish. That might be an angler wordfish. Get him on top. Get him on top. There we go.
There
Yeah.
Yeah, we landed it. We got some meat on the deck. Oh, Colin, you need a picture of them.
Yeah, we got a picture of that. That's a goodie.
That's
He's 21 and a half going back. New big
Come
fish
on.
of the day.
Let go.
There you go. Well, you can swing him right to me then. Yeah, it is a little guy. Oh, look how little he is. No, you're not tangled. You got a fish?
Oh, dang.
Colin, bring yours into me. He thought he was tangled with Colin. It's a fish. You got a little one. Bring yours in quick. We'll get rid of him. Your dad might have a decent one. Ah, it's a big one. That's an angler word. You got to put that in a rod holder quick and give me the net.
Got one.
Get the net.
What do you call these? Angler what?
Yeah, 24-inch fish is what the state considers angler award. Maybe he's not. He's going to be close.
Oh, should I do it?
26.
You can. Just lay it in there and he's got to bring the fish to you. All right, good job, guys. That's a new big fish, I think.
Oh, I think he's falling.
Right to me. You're on the little side of the boat. That's a better one.
Oh, no, it's just Oh, what is that?
Yeah. Yeah, it is. Bring him to me.
It's like brownie.
Hey, cameraman, welcome aboard.
Jim's got one working and Jim's hooked up. You can swing him right to me. Nice. Yeah, you'll be able to swing him right to me.
Yeah. It's even coming in our way.
That's good. Right up to me. Okay.
He's not even that small either.
No, he's a decent fish.
Come on, baby. No, not that.
I think he forgot how to swim. It's like dragging along.
Go ahead and swing them to me when you get them going.
All right.
Keep them coming, and then swing them up.
All right.
Oh, that's a heavy one for that. I'm gonna hold this one up in the air so you can try to come under it. Are you? Yeah, there we go. Oh, hold on. Nope, you gotta go over me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Alright, it's another picture fish.
Oh. I think it is that.
It's a battler.
No.
It's a grape. I see color. Harpoon.
Yeah. Oh, my belly.
He's got the net on.
Yeah. Oh crap. Oh.
Keep them coming, keep them coming, keep them coming.
No, he's. Oh my God.
You gotta raise them up. You got them. It took 1 minute in this spot.
Oh,
That's a nice fish. You got an anchor down, so you got to keep them out of the anchor. Nice fish.
Oh yeah.
Might be a new big fish of the day.
He's pretty fat daddy. Come on, fat daddy.
There you
There
go.
you go. How is he hooked? It looks like he
It's wrapped. No, it's in his mouth, but it's wrapped
okay.
around his pectoral fin. That's why we use this abrasion-resistant fluorocarbon. Not bad. A couple more cranks, and then when you get him coming, swing him right in the boat.
All right.
Keep it coming, keep it coming, keep it coming. There you go. Whoop.
Oh no, in the run.
We got him. That'll work. There you go. You guys need help back here?
Yeah, got it.
Nice job.
Come on, you ain't going there.
You can swing him right to me.
Yep. Hope no crocodiles. No crocodiles. Please. Crocodile. Yeah.
Nice.
Alright. 1, 2.
Nice.
Yeah, that's not bad. How's it, man? Bagging. Come on, nah.
We're marking.
All right, you ready?
Yeah.
There we go. No.
Oh my goodness, yeah. I
He's
shouldn't even got the
baby.
camera out. There's the bait we used today, sudden impact. It's the only bait you need for channel cats. All right, we're wrapping it up.
Yes.
Good trip. How many we end up with?
Excellent, excellent. We got 23 today.
Who got big fish?
I did. 22 and a half.
Excellent.
Yes, sir.
What'd you think, Colin?
I thought this was an awesome trip. You should definitely come here.
Yeah,
Good
great
job.
trip.
Appreciate
Yeah.
it. What'd you think of that sudden impact? That catfish
Oh, that was
bait?
great. Yeah, not a lot of blood and guts fish, but you know, sticky
Yeah.
stuff on you.
That's how I look at it. We don't
Nice,
need that anymore. We just,
yeah, nice. Put it on the hook,
Yep.
throw it out. They were hammering it all day, really.
yeah.
So-
All right. Thanks for fishing with us.
Yep. Thank you.
Thank you very much.
All right, buddy. We're blessed with another great day, enjoying God's creation. So we're going to head on into the ramp now.